Bankole-Adeyemi. I'm an interior architectural designer, founder of the Yellow Interior Design Company and Hello Yellow blog. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks that I use to create mood boards on the Morpholio board app. Join me as I take you along. Thank you. I'm going to start by telling you a few reasons why Morpholio board has been helpful in my studio. So I use mood boards to create inspiration, materials, to collate products and source for interior design projects. Go from inspiration, one stage of the project, from inspiration concept, drive the idea through to a color scheme, into a mood board, sourcing list. And there's so many ways in which Morpholio can be used in design. The first way I can import images into Morpholio board is you could go to Pinterest, sync your Pinterest, create a board in Pinterest and link it to your Morpholio board. That's one way. And then another way is to go to the library and sort of save things. You can create a new set. You can add more items to your board. So that's for the library. And Morpholio also has a huge range of products that are on the app. And you can search by color. You can filter by category, company, and recent items that you've checked. So you have a wide range of products to choose from. With inspiration image that I bring in, what inspires me about this image is the color, the composition, the form, and it's just aesthetically pleasing. So I would go by shape. So that's another way to sort of curate and get inspiration from your inspiration image. So this serves as the center, and you see the app has generated some ideas in terms of the shape. So going by the shape, I selected this lovely stool, mushroom stool, and I can either add it to the library, add it directly to the board, or go to the website. I can also mark the shape, mark the color, request the quote, or create a pin from the Morpholio board. So it's a very good intuitive tool to use. So another way is to go to the library and you can add more items to your board. So I'll just go by my library because I've pre-saved some items here. So if you look closely at the stool, it literally matches the form, the shape of my inspiration, and it's such a good match. So you see how the object snaps to my inspiration, whether I want it centered. There's the snap tool that works really great, and that is that. This is a transparent, it has a transparent background, so I don't need to do much editing. I just resize, and that's also a very good tool that helps to create mood boards on the app. So I'm utilizing the grids to arrange the items I want to use. So I go back to the library and I'm going to add that to the board. And so here, because the image doesn't have a transparent background, I can also either reduce the intensity of the background using the magic wand. You see it's a bit transparent now, and I can further edit using this. So I want it to be transparent. I can erase sort of the mirror effect. I think it's nice now. And then I minimize the object, so I can move the inspiration down a bit now to make room for more objects. I already saved it in my library, so whether I'm online or offline, I can go back to the images that I have saved in advance. And so I'm going to add this to the board, and you see that it has a white background, and if I want to remove the background, I just use the magic wand, and look how fast that, the editing is. And that's my favorite, has to be one of my favorite tools to use, is the magic wand. Like I said, I like things being centered and symmetrical, so there is limitless opportunities and ways to use the board. And you get a list of the items, and you can also hide the URLs, a product or shopping list for your projects. And you have cut sheets, each item and individually. And if you want to export, you could also export, and you see here you can export as image, Photoshop file, PDF, or project. And you can reduce or increase the quality and share. So many ways in which Morpholio can be used in design. I hope you've learned one or two things and picked a few bits and pieces on how you could utilize Morpholio board in your designs. Thank you.